Welcome. This is a tutorial on how to use the MassGrown map on your phone, as well as learn about the many features to search for farms, farmers markets, fairs, as well as locations where you can earn HIP dollars, use SNAP benefits, and use your WIC and Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program coupons. To find the map, visit mass.gov/MassGrown. You can also type MassGrown map into Google or another search engine. When you initially open the map, if this is the first time you're using it, you may be prompted to allow the map to use your current location. In order for the map to find locations near you, you will need to click OK. The map defaults to a 3-mile radius from your location. If you want to change the search distance, use this box in the top left of the map. Let's select 10 miles. In the search box, there are 4 major search options. In the first box, you can search by keyword, farm name, city, or zip code. In the second box, which is location type, you can select different types of agricultural locations, such as farm stands, agricultural fairs, farmers markets, and many more. In the third box, under crops and activities, the map offers more specific types of crops or activities, like all sorts of fruits and vegetables, greenhouse and nursery products, and different Massachusetts grown products that you can find across the state. In the fourth box under nutrition programs, you can search for locations that offer SNAP, HIP, or accept WIC and Senior FMNP coupons. Once you've selected any search term or a combination of types, you can then edit the search radius all the way to statewide to see all the farms within your search keyword or category. The next feature is the list box. Once you've performed your search, click on this box to see a list version of your results. You can sort by distance or by name. And you can see the distance to your location and the city and town here. The extra feature is the export button. Any search list can be exported if you're interested. It gets exported and downloaded as a .csv file format, which often opens in Excel. If you're curious to see the different icons and what they mean, click on the legend box. Once you click on an icon in the legend, it will quickly look for the closest locations for that icon you selected. Let's click on CSA. We can see the list of locations within 3 miles of the location that I am at. Now let's try a search. The MassGrown map allows you to search for farm stands, agricultural fairs, farmers markets, as we talked about earlier. Let's select one of our most popular searches, which is pick your own. Now let's select a specific crop or activity that we'd like to pick. For example, we'd like to go blueberry picking. The map now shows us the closest location where we can go blueberry picking. Now let's say I have Farmers Market Nutrition Program coupons. I can use these benefits at farm stands, but I can mostly use them at farmers markets. So I'm going to select farmers markets. Quite a few markets show up. I can click on the icon to learn more about the location. This shows me the dates and times, as well as the location of the market. It also shows me that this market processes HIP and can provide the HIP incentive. So when I go to the market, I can use my farmers market coupons with participating farmers, and I would go to the market manager and ask which vendors accept SNAP and process HIP. You can also click on the directions link, which will bring you to Google Maps for directions to the market. This info box gives you links to our department webpage, as well as a link to the calendar of events. Click on the feedback button on the bottom left to provide feedback on your experience on the map. You may notice a survey pop up as well, and we really appreciate your feedback and the time you take to fill out the survey. Finally, to easily access the MassGrown map, add it to your home screen. Click on the Share button and then click on Add to Home Screen to easily access the map wherever you go. That concludes the tutorial on using the MassGrown map. Thanks for listening and get out there to discover MassGrown.